Alright, good morning ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. We are actually doing a little bit of a project here. We finally got our new front grille for this monstrosity. If you can see, it's all fucking cracked in here and all this stuff is out of whack. So we finally got the front bumper off, which as you can see, hung on something. There we go. Alright, so the whole front bumper is now off. Pretty little car. So now we're gonna replace this part. We got a new eyebrow piece that goes here, sits across like this one over here. Hopefully it would just be a small, quick, easy fix, but this was a pain in the ass to fucking get undone. It was literally held together by a bolt here and a bolt over here, literally holding the whole thing together. I do not have a skid plate at the moment because mine's completely damaged. And Kappa certified auto parts, yeah, that's definitely Honda certified from the last people I got this fucking replaced by. So yeah, we're just gonna do a full replacement of the grille, and then yeah, Eric's over there doing his alignment and his rear camber, so he's getting that all sorted away. But yeah, stick around for the final results of my grille getting fully replaced. And as you can see from like the back, this is all the part that's completely just like gone. There's like a big ass open hole here, and then the radiator where the guy brake checked me and I ran into him, you can see a little bit of a pushing on the radiator here. So maybe in the future I might get a new radiator, maybe a Koyo rad or something like that, I don't know. But it looks like, my radiator, my intercooler's pushed in. I just noticed that my intercooler's pushed in down there. So see how the line kind of like goes in versus over here where the line is pushed out? That's weird. Yeah, my whole intercooler's pushed in. Alright, so update on the car since I took this off. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's like a, I don't know if you can see, yeah, that broken piece. So basically, I can't take this off because the last company who decided to fix it, or supposedly try and fix it, all these little brackets right here that connect into the bumper for the grille are all plasti dipped and fucking, they have like this weird like fucking pipe filler in it, so I can't replace it. And now since I know that the front part of my bumper right here is broken, now I have to get a whole new bumper because people are assholes. So I basically did all this for nothing, but I wouldn't say it was for nothing. So now I do know that my bumper is broken and all that, so we're just gonna replace it, put it back on, and then just go from there. But yeah, just not a fan of how all this was taken care of, because I don't know if you can see under there, there's like a little thing right there that isn't all the way in. That bracket is broken. So yeah, so car 1, mechanic 0, or me 0. So yeah, I'm just gonna put the bumper back on and then just figure out what the fuck I'm gonna do. I might have to get a new intercooler and everything because that one's looking pretty shot. I don't know, we'll see. Or I might just say fuck it, sell the car and get something else. But who knows. I'm just kind of disappointed at the whole fact that I try to do something nice for the car, it gets ruined, and it's always the opposing party who gets, you know, the benefit of the doubt for no damage. But yeah, so that's what we're at. This is where we're at right now, kind of at an impasse. So today's gonna be a little bit of a short video, but they're over there still working on the alignment. Let's actually go over there. Here's my dog. There's little Zoe. There's little Zoe. Yeah, let's see what they're doing. So yeah.
Toe's fucked.
Care to explain what's going on?
No.
No? So the toe in the rear of Eric's car is a little wonky, so instead of being straight like this, it's kind of peeking out towards the door. I'm trying to get it adjusted. I don't know if you can see it there, but yeah, cars, right? We love them. They always are a bitch to work on. So we're trying to figure out how to do that and all that. So we have 3 people working, trying to get that done. Yeah, that's really about it for today. So we're just gonna get this back on and hope for the best. Or should I be like Psy and not run a front bumper? Just say fuck it. I don't know. But hey, on to the next one. Hope you enjoyed the video.